Okay, in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do 4.1, make a collage. We're going to be starting our first Photoshop assignment. Okay, so go ahead and open up your Photoshop. I'm using my Windows computer, so it might be a little bit different while you're using your Mac. Okay, so go ahead and on here, you're going to go ahead and click on New File. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is go ahead and click on Photo. And I'm going to click landscape because I'm going to be doing my name here. So I'm going to make it just a little bit wider. Let's do 9 by 5, see what that looks like, and then hit create. Okay. So there is the photo that I'm going to draw on. So what I'm going to do first, and for you to see the tools, this is our first layer, right? The background layer. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this background a color. So I'm going to click on the paint bucket tool. Okay. Click on the paint bucket tool. I'm going to make mine red. So I can make mine red. Whoop, not that one. Okay. This is the one I want to pick. Red. Right there. There you go. Okay, let's drop red. No. There you go. There you go. Okay. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to file, and I'm going to find my photos. Make at least two or three, 4, 5. Let's do, I'll put my name. Okay, so I'm gonna hit the control button. You're gonna hit the command button. I'm gonna put all these letters, my name, right? There's a J-O-A-N-N-A. Okay, so I'm gonna hit control. In your case with the Mac, you can hit command. Oh. There we go. Hit open. Let me move this window up. So if you notice, I have my untitled file here, right? Let it process. Okay. So here, I'm gonna just give it some time to process. Just taking a while. Okay, so now I have my untitled file, right? So I have, look, I have, that's the A, here's the N, here's the other N, here's the A, the O, and right underneath, let me move this over. Oh. And then there's the J, okay? Sorry about this over here. Let me put it over here. Oh, let's see where. Okay, so now go back to the untitled. Okay, so now I'm gonna grab the J first, okay? So I'm going to go to the J, and then I'm going to go hit the select tool, right? This rectangle marquee tool. And I'm going to highlight my J, grab the tool, highlight the J, click on edit, copy, go back to my file here. And then I'm going to go edit, paste. There it is. See how it's too big? So I'm going to go to edit, pre-transform, and there it is. Then I'm going to grab the corners and make it really, really small. I can move it to I'm left clicking, dragging with my mouse and making it really, really small. See that? Okay, so that's my first letter. All right. And then see if you notice layer number 1. So you can also double click on it. I'm going to name it J. See, that's layer number 1. Okay. So now I'm going to grab the other letter. It's going to be this one, the O. Go back to the select tool. Oh, wait, before I do that, I'm going to hit enter, finish the command on here. Now I'm going to go back to the O, highlight that, edit, copy, go back to my title file, and then click edit, paste. Okay. And then see, there's my layer right there. I'm going to go to edit, pre-transform. And I'm going to make it smaller, make it fit kind of like next to it like that. Oh, that's a little too small. See that? Okay. And then I'm going to double click on here. I'm going to name this O. Okay. So let's grab the third one. A, select, highlight it, go back to edit, copy, go back to my title file, and then click edit, paste. There it is right there. Edit, retransform, make it smaller. Okay, kind of like it big like that. I'm gonna make it big like that. Okay, capital A. Double click on this layer. I'm gonna name it A. Okay, now what else? Now I'm gonna grab the N, N, and A. Okay, so this one, edit, oops, highlight it, edit, copy, go to here, edit, paste. Then I'm gonna go to edit, retransform, make it smaller so it can fit onto my collage background. Okay, I'm gonna leave that 8 big, just like that. So here, I'm gonna double click on this. N, right? And I'm gonna go back to this one. Okay, and grab my other N, edit, right up here we go. Highlight that, edit, copy, go back here, oh, edit, paste, go to edit, retransform. See if I can fit that other A in there. Let's go this way. Okay, now I got one more here, A, this A right here. Let's make it small, like that. And if you notice, you can use the Control C or the command here, but I'm just gonna click on it with my mouse. Okay, copy. On title file. Oh, I didn't do that one right. Let's go back to this layer, right? I'm gonna go back to this N layer. Oh. Paste. There it is right there. Edit. Retransform. I'm going to leave the, I'm just, for the sake of this video, I'm just going to leave the other one, the other N out. Okay. So that's the other A. So, okay. Just like that. Okay. So now I'm just going to name this one A. And this one, I don't know where this one went, but this is also the N. Okay. All right. So there. So this is my collage right here. Okay. So if you want, you can even, we'll do text next week, but you can even add a text. So I click on text here. I can add a text right here. Right. Okay. We'll do that next week. Let's just leave it. I'm going to hit undo. Escape. Control D. Okay. There you go. My computer is really running slow. Okay, I'm gonna leave it. Let me leave it. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so now instead of save as, right, this is not what you want to do. I want you to export, right? If you save as, okay, just hit yes. Am I coming to it? Okay, save to the computer. Okay, don't save. See, if you notice, it's gonna save it as a PSD file. That's the Photoshop file. That's not what you want to save it, right? Okay, that's not what I want you to do. Okay, so I'm gonna close it. I'm gonna go File, Export, Export as. Okay, see that? All these options come up. I don't know if you can see it. JPEG, JPG, PNG, or GIF, right? These are the files that we can upload to the Google photo album, right? So I'm gonna click on JPG, right? The JPG file. Let me bring this one up. And then click on export. Okay, so now it's a JPG. See that? So I'm just going to put name, right? Joanna. Okay, just like that. And so now I have the file saved in the computer. If I open it up, then I can go ahead and put it in the my downloads folder. There we go. Okay, and there it is. Now I can upload it onto the Google Slides folder. Okay, just like that. It's a JPG file, not a PSD, which is a Photoshop file. All right, so that's it.